Right, here's a review of the six-figure formula by the Corte brothers. Now, this whole training is designed to get you making money as fast as possible without spending money on websites, domains, hosting and tracking, etc. Okay, so now first you'd want to start with the getting started, and this is geared in a way to get you making money as quickly as possible. Okay. The only thing you'll actually need to start is an autoresponder, and they go through in the training what autoresponders they recommend and which to stay away from. Okay, so basically 5 steps to follow. Then they show you how to start driving traffic, both free traffic and paid traffic. Then we go into the basic training, and then there's some advanced training. These are all different methods, okay? Teach you different techniques of driving traffic, different types of traffic that you'll never, traffic sources you won't have even heard of before. More tutorials on how to set different aspects of your business up. Weekly campaigns. Now these are CPA campaigns. Okay. Different resources. Now, one thing you will want to get stuck into straight away, which I recommend, is this one here: affiliate networks, cost per click affiliate networks. I personally did not know that these existed until I bought this course. Have just signed up. I've just been accepted into one of the networks that they recommend, and I've already started to see results from my very first email. Now, they actually pay you per click. It doesn't matter if that person submits their email address or buys anything. They just pay you per click, and they can pay you. Well, I've been talking to the both brothers, and they've been getting paid over $8 a click in some cases, and they go over in the training exactly where and how they're getting those big clicks, those big payouts per click. Now, the main crux of all this training is all email marketing, okay? And this is where Marketer Pro comes in. See, this is more than a training, this is a whole email marketing system. So if we go into the dashboard, now what this does, this is Lead Manager, and you can import leads into different autoresponders. So maybe you've got some leads in GetResponse and you want to put them into Aweber. Well, you would download all your leads from GetResponse, come here, upload them to the Marketer Pro, and that will upload them into your Aweber account. Now at the moment they support GetResponse, Aweber and Market Hero. They are adding several more. In fact, there's about 8 more autoresponders they're going to be adding very soon. There's also an emailer. This is if you're using SMTPs, you can just upload your subscribers and it will mail out to them. Okay, and then we've got a click maximizer. This will rotate all your links and get as many clicks to different offers as possible. Okay, this is absolute. I cannot stress enough how good this system is and this training. These guys know their stuff. It's just being paid per click on an offer, mailing out offers. That is ridiculous. And if you can't make money doing that, then you probably need to just give up, because I used to be a solo ad seller, and I used to charge between 35 and 40 cents per click, which wasn't that much. I'm getting more than that now already on my first email doing this, without messing about with customers and their tracking links and their giving them extra clicks or whatever. These guys are paying me per click. It's a fantastic system. Highly recommend this. It's the feedback from people I've had, I've already introduced to this, has been absolutely amazing. Okay, the support is amazing. In fact, you can get monthly question and answer videos. Okay, there's a Facebook group where you can ask your questions. They'll bend over backwards to help you. All you need is an autoresponder. Get signed up. We've got a special deal. We can get signed up for $1, just my subscribers only. If you scroll down here, $1, and you can get access to it. You will not regret it, honestly. It's fantastic training. It's a real game changer, this. 'Cause you're a believer.